Hey, hello. So after the swipe, the bloom swipe didn't record last time. I only had the spinning part and then the close-up part. I'm doing now a new one on a 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter canvas. I have my push pins in the back. I sprayed the back also with water so it's stretched and it can sink in the middle. It needs to sound like a drum. Perfect. I put it on my spinner. The colors I will. So today we're doing a bloom again, and it's been a long while. And I'm not sure about my recipe, so I'm doing it on a first little small canvas. I put the push pins on the back. I sprayed the back with water so it's stretched and can sink to the middle. We have a pearl white of Amsterdam. Consistency is like this, like really thick. Paints Gray of Amsterdam. Deco Art 24 karat gold. Deco Art Emperor's gold and tons of golden mica pigments. And that is some brown of Amsterdam. Consistency is always the same. It's really like thick, like pudding. My cell activator is Amsterdam, titanium white, and Australian Floetrol, and a little swips of Overtrol. Consistency is, thinner than the paints. And the thickest is my base coat. That's latex house paint mixed with a Baufan latex binder. This never makes me crack my paints actually. Okay, let's layer the base coat down. We use the torch to get rid of the air bubbles we get when we mix the paint, and they will always pop up. We don't want that. Those little holes in our painting. So I think I started last time with the paints gray. I don't know. Let's see. I have a little chunk in there. Then a little bit of the pearl white, just some drops. The brown. The brown usually tends to sink to the bottom, so we use a little bit more. Pearl white for the contrast. Now we go in with this amazing gold. It's beautiful, I love this gold. So many gold mica pigments and different brands of gold. I'm a total fanatic for gold. And then we use our cell activator. That's the white Amsterdam or titanium white. A squeeze of Obertrol, and the rest is Australian Floetrol. So it's quite enough. Okay, now we torch it again. So, and now we play around. What I always like to do is I push the stuff into the middle, the paint, the stuff. This needs to go. I don't like what happened there. You're still recording, yes. I must somewhere have a straw, or I thought I have a straw. Here. I might need this for some adjustments. And now is the fun part, we play. And that means I will be swiping a little bit. and dragging and all that stuff we do now. So this part we can take over here maybe. Let's see. Same we can do here. I think I will swipe. And now I will tilt it. I will spin it, I mean. So let's put now just a flow extender here. So it spins nicely. I'm excited how this one is gonna look like. I have no idea right now. If I have to add some negative more space to it. I have the feeling over here. I'm not so happy with this part here, but we can just change that. Do something about. Okay, now we spin it. Nope. Don't forget the last torch. I think pretty cool. I like it. Don't think I want to change much of it. Some negative space could be fun here, but I'm not sure if I want to risk it. I want to risk it. Maybe I can just tilt it. That would be best, without losing too much of the other composition. A little bit is fine. I like this to be the center. One little spin and we are done. One little spin. I always say that and then I do something different. Don't hate me for this. Last spin. Don't ruin too much of my composition. Yeah, now I'm happy. I find that those blooms tell more of a story than if you just blow it out like in all the ways and have just everything full of cells. This just gives much more of a composition. So here we have it. And I love it. Super organic movement, very nice texture, the tiles. I love those colors. Composition wise, I wouldn't know right now how to hang it. Probably this way or that way. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think about the painting, what I could do different. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. That helps me grow my channel. I really appreciate it. Check out my links, my Patreon page, my homepage with more originals for sale. Have a great day. Bye.